Welcome to the latest construction update from Valencia Sky in beautiful Naples, Florida, one of the area's most exciting new 55-plus resort lifestyle communities. As you can see in today's June 28, 2026 drone flyover, construction continues to make impressive progress throughout the community. New homes are rising quickly, roads and infrastructure are expanding, and Valencia Sky is rapidly taking shape into the vibrant neighborhood future residents have been waiting for. Designed for active adults who want a low-maintenance lifestyle without sacrificing luxury, Valencia Sky will feature beautifully designed homes, outstanding amenities, and an active social atmosphere in one of Southwest Florida's most desirable locations. Conveniently located in Naples, homeowners will enjoy easy access to world-class beaches, championship golf, exceptional dining, shopping, entertainment, healthcare, and everything that makes Naples one of the nation's premier places to live. This June 28, 2026 construction update gives prospective buyers an up-close look at how quickly the community is coming together and what they can expect in the months ahead. If you're thinking about purchasing a home at Valencia Sky or anywhere in the Naples area, let Southwest Coast Realty represent your interest throughout the buying process. As your independent buyer's broker, we're here to help you every step of the way. For more information, contact Ken O'Brien with Southwest Coast Realty at 239-229-9926. If you enjoyed this update, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest Naples new construction.